Hello everyone, in this video me and a buddy of mine have been going to the Lynn Reservoir in Tulsa to catch sand bass the past few days. We have also went catfishing but haven't had much luck so far. But the first day, we both pulled out 10 each and released about 5 others. Then the next day we caught around 12 total. And today I went fishing by myself and a few people gave me some fish. I caught one but almost struck out today. I plan on making more videos. I have been having more car problems, to be honest, but I'm getting that fixed soon. Then I'll be able to make more videos. It's just been kind of difficult. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.